This video is to show you how to make these shared files that are uploaded into the files part of your Teams channel, how to make them so that students can't see each other's writing. They're not collaborative. They are only downloadable. And then once they're downloaded, then students can edit them. So what I'm talking about is if somebody were to want to upload a notes sheet, for example, and they want every student to have their own notes sheet that they can download and they can write on. When you save it as a doc or a docs file or a Word document, it's going to be a collaborative file. So that means whatever one person writes on it, everybody can see. And so what you're going to want to do is if you want students to have their own copies of this, is you're going to want to save all of your documents as a template. So in Word, you're going to find the document that you're looking for, that you want to upload for all of your students. And then you're going to want to do a file save as. So over here, file. Oops, I don't think I can do that yet. I have to enable editing. Okay, so I'm going to do file, save as, and then here, instead of Word document, I'm going to save it as a Word template. When I save it as a Word template, I also want to make sure that I'm saving it where I know it is. Otherwise, it will put it directly into custom Office templates. So I want to save this on my desktop. I'll save it there. And this is now a template, which means that when students download it, it will download as a new file, but will have all of this writing already on it. And so I'm going to minimize this and I'm going to show you what it looks like now from the student's perspective. So now this is a template file, and I know that because it's called a .x at the end. That's how the ending looks. And when I click on it as a student, it gives me two options. None of those options are edit. The options are start conversation or close. I actually want to do neither of those. I want to click on the three dots, and then there's my option to download. Then I can click on it, or it should bring it up for me, or they can find it in their downloads folder. So when they bring up their files, they'll find it in their downloads file. Then when they click on it, when it brings the Word document up, it will be as an unsaved file. So you'll notice this document is no longer named Second Try Here We Go. This is named document 1 because this is a new document that I'm going to edit, and it's going to be only mine as a student. So I'm going to click Edit Document, and then I can fill this in as I want to, and no one else can see what I'm writing. Then when I'm done writing, it will require me to save it because this is an unnamed document. If I try to close out of it, it will automatically say save changes to your file, and it will make me save it to my OneDrive or to whatever you would like them to save it to.